Camau Sylfaen Uned 25 Fideo 3 Fersiwn y De. Dwi'n meddwl ei fod e. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi. As we have learnt, we can discuss a plant, the children, using dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw, which means I think that they are. Enghraifft, dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n dawel. I think that they are quiet. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n swnllyd. I think that they are noisy. We can also use bod to refer to one child. Gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Dwi'n meddwl ei fod e'n ddoniol. I think that he is funny. Dwi'n meddwl ei fod e'n hapus. I think that he is happy. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi'n swnllyd. I think that she is noisy. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi'n dawel. I think that she is quiet. So, as we've seen, there are different bod patterns, depending on who we are referring to. And with some of these patterns, bod mutates. Let's take a look at more bod patterns. Dwi'n meddwl fy mod i. I think that I am. Treiglad trinol. Dwi'n meddwl dy fod di. I think that you are. Treiglad meddal. Dwi'n meddwl ei fod e. I think that he is. Treiglad meddal. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi. I think that she is. Dim treiglad. Dwi'n meddwl ein bod ni. I think that we are. Dim treiglad. Dwi'n meddwl eich bod chi. I think that you are. Dim treiglad. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw. I think that they are. Dim treiglad. Gadewch i ni ymarfer. Let's practice further sentences you might use in the play setting. Gwrandewch yn ofalus ac ailadroddwch. Ble mae Ellis? Dwi'n meddwl ei fod e ar wyliau. I think that he is on holidays. Ble mae Mr Thomas? Dwi'n meddwl ei fod e yn y neuadd. I think that he is in the hall. Ble mae Sally? Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi yn y siop. I think that she is in the shop. Ble mae Gwenlli? Dwi'n meddwl ei bod hi yn y llyfrgell. I think that she is in the library. Arbennig. Nawr, cwblhewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned, a chofiwch eich bod chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo hwn eto I adolygu. Now, complete the activities in the unit. And remember that you can watch this video again to revise if you need to. Pob lwc!